Artoonza.
In this super easy tutorial, we're going to draw a magical house from shapes, a tree, and a garden fence. Or, as I like to call it, easy and funny acrylic painting. Because who knew painting could be this much fun? A tree. Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together. The sun from a circle.
Wow!
A house from shapes. A square. A triangle. Hip hip hooray. Great. Now let's draw the fence to complete our picture. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us a big thumbs up. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Yellow. Color, color, color. Shoo, go away. Green.
Aw, so cute.
Don't be shy, color high. Red.
Wow!
This is much better. Actually, it's great. Brown. Mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color. Orange. Color, color, color.
Aw, so cute.
Purple? Give us your like. Color, color, color. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Smash that like button now. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.